Okay, should I start now? Oh, okay, welcome in the class. Yesterday and in the previous classes we described about the DC machines, its construction, its principle, and the binding. While describing the construction of the DC machine, if you remember, we told there is a field winding, there is a armature winding. On the rotor, say this is a rotor, here on the rotor there is a winding which is called the armature, and this armature winding, from the winding there will be the two terminals out. There is a commutator, there is a, and what is the commutator? Commutator is like a slip ring and divided with the help of the insulators. So as the number of conductor slots, accordingly there will be the number of commutator segments. With the help of the commutator segment, if you just to understand that, like this is a rotor. On the rotor there is a winding, and here there is a commutator, and there is a shaft. Here it is a shaft. On the shaft there is a commutator, and from the commutator, like this is a commutator. Here it is 1, 2, 3 windings are connected. So when this rotor is rotating, means armature is rotating, and armature conductors are connected to the commutator. From the commutator, above the, here say there is a commutator. On the commutator there are brushes. There can be 2 brushes, there can be 4 brushes, depending upon the type of binding. If it is a web binding, then number of brushes will be 2 only. If it is a lap binding, then number of brushes will be equal to parallel path, number of poles. Number of poles may be 4, number of poles may be 6 or 8, whatever it may be. Okay, now, and we know the whatever current conductor, if you remember the binding, whatever current conductor coming to the north pole, the direction of current, say it is outward. So when the next conductor will come, direction of current will be outward in that. So it means inside the armature, direction of current changes. Here it is shown. Yesterday we also shown the binding, how the binding is rotating. Since the rotor is rotating, armature binding is rotating. When armature binding is rotating like this, say this is the binding, armature binding, this is the commutator, and A, B, C are the commutator segments. This is a segment A, B, C, and this is the brush. So you see, one brush is connected here, another brush is connected, say after half of the span. So what will happen if it is a positive? If it is a positive brush, so what will be there? If it is positive, it means in the binding here, say 20 ampere current is coming from back, 20 ampere, 20 ampere, 20 ampere it is coming. Here also from this side 20 ampere is coming. Now you see, this is a commutator segment. This 20 ampere is coming from this side, 20 ampere is coming from this side. So net 40 ampere current from this segment. This is connected. This armature binding terminal is connected with this segment. When this is connected with this segment, so it means this is insulated. Here this portion, this is insulated. Here this portion, it is insulation. Here this is insulation. Here like this, here it is insulation. So current will not, whatever, even if there is a binding here, if there is a binding, no current will flow through this, because they are through insulation. So whatever current is here, that current will flow here. Whatever current is here, that current will continue to be here, even if they are connected with this. So 20 ampere current coming from this side, 20 ampere current coming from this side. If you remember, yesterday we described like this: positive brush, negative brush, and this binding is like this. Positive brush, binding is like this, and this current is coming out from here. This is a load. From the load, current is going like this. This is minus. So in this way, current flows. Say 20 ampere current here 20, 20, 20, and finally here 20, 20. It is a 40 ampere current going to the load, coming to the second brush, and like this it circulates. This binding is circulating. Now you see this binding this winding is circulating on the rotor. This winding is circulating. So earlier say this coil side is connected here. Next this coil side will be connected here. Next this coil side will be connected here. In this way it takes place. So now here see what is happening. The same replication is shown here like this. Now this, let this armature moving in this direction. This is the direction of armature. So what will happen when armature is moving here? Now when this armature move from here to here, means when it moves slightly, so what will happen? This situation will come. The brush is like this. In this situation you see this brush is like this here. This is one segment, this is one segment. Here you see what is the difference between here and here. This carbon brush is connected here. So the total 40 ampere current, 20 from this side, 20 from this side, 40 will come from here. But here you see this is a conductor, this is a conductor. In between there is an insulation. So this is conductor, this is conductor. So there is a chance that current can flow from here also, and current can flow from here also. Means this coil which is short circuited here, this is also conductor, this is also conductor. Here you see here. So what may happen? Current will flow here. Since this brush is connected with this conductor, current can flow from here also, current can flow from here also. But this situation is not there. Getting this point or not? When the current can flow from both the side, now how it will be flowed? What is expected? If it is exactly in the middle, if this brush is exactly in the middle, so what will happen? We can say resistance of half of this or resistance of half of this will be same. If the resistances of both are same, then current will be equally divided. It is expected or not? Suppose 20 एम्पियर करंट इधर से आ रहा है, इसका रेजिस्टेंस अगर सेम है, so what will happen? This 20 ampere means 10 out of this 20 ampere, 10 ampere will flow from this side, 10 ampere will flow from this side, and rest 10 ampere like this. So in addition to that, so this will be the flow. Now what is happening? This will not be actually होना क्या चाहिए कि आपका out of this should be equally, it should come, but because the current change of current takes place. देखिए in case of a DC circuit, अगर दोनों resistances equal है, both the side resistances are equal, then current will be equally divided. But here what is happening? It is not only the resistance, but change of current takes place. So inside this it behave like a AC. अंदर ये क्या हो रहा है? चेंज ऑफ करंट यहाँ हो रहा है. सो चेंज ऑफ करंट देखिए यहाँ 20 एम्पियर. So there is a 20 ampere here also. So this is coming from like this 20 plus 20 40. But here you see there is chances here. This out of 20, this will come from here. This 20, this out of this 20 move to this side and 10 move to this side. So 10 of this and 20 of this will be 30. 30 will come through this. And it should actually happen. It should actually happen when this is actually in middle. When it is in middle like this. So same, this 20 will come from here, this 20 will come from here, and there will be zero current. If it is in the middle, then this, the complete 20 will come from here, 20 will come from here. Now, then again, now you see the position. This whole portion, armature is moving ahead in the clockwise direction. Then this will move into this, then this A will come here. It is not exactly, it is like this. It is up to here. So this portion from here it is 30 ampere, here it is 10 ampere. Means current is divided into the inversely proportional to their resistances. I is equal to V by R. तो इसका रेजिस्टेंस, यहाँ रेजिस्टेंस आपका ये, इसका रेजिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा? कम हो जाएगा. इफ इट इज मोर रेजिस्टेंस, इसका रेजिस्टेंस जितना आपका पतला तार होगा उसका रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा होगा, जितना आपका एरिया ज्यादा होगा रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा। तो इसका रेजिस्टेंस कम है तो करंट ज्यादा हो गई। ओके, ये 30 हो गई, 10 एम्पियर हो गई, 40 लाइक दिस। हियर यू सी, हियर एक्चुअली क्या होना चाहिए, व्हेन इट हैज कम टू दिस ए, आपका देखिए बी से कम्यूटेटर सेगमेंट बी से ए की तरफ मूव कर रहा है, तो बी से ए की तरफ मूव कर रहा है, तो यहां पे क्या होना चाहिए था, दिस शुड बी 20 एम्पियर, इसमें से जीरो करंट, और ये आपकी 20 एम्पियर यहां से 20 एम्पियर जाकर 20 40 आना चाहिए। लेकिन व्हाट विल हैपन, व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस 5 एम्पियर बिकॉज ऑफ द इंडक्टिव बिहेवियर, दिस 5 एम्पियर because it is because of the AC in nature inside, so the inductance also come into the picture, and what the inductance do, it rate of change of flux, because of this inductance here, because the current changes, so there is a inductance, and because of the inductance, whenever is the rate of change of flux, internal induced EMF is produced here, that will cause by which it is produced, मतलब इंडक्टेंस क्या करेगा, इस करंट को चेंज नहीं होने देगा। जो ये 20 एम्पियर है, यहाँ 20 इधर जाना था, उसे चेंज नहीं होने देगा, सो ओनली 15 विल गो, 5 एम्पियर will jump from here, 5 एम्पियर will jump, what is the meaning of this, it will flow through the air part, so this is called the sparking। आपका कंडक्शन नहीं मिला तो इसे स्पार्किंग, हियर देयर इज ए स्पार्किंग, ये स्पार्किंग, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, अगर ये कम्यूटेशन टाइम फ्रॉम मूविंग, दिस आर्मेचर इज मूविंग फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, इज this armature is moving from B to A, ग्रो से आपका A पे आ गया, this time let this time is the time of commutation, इस कम्यूटेशन के टाइम में आपका प्लस 40 एम्पियर से माइनस 40 एम्पियर करंट, मींस आपका इसमें जो करंट था आपका 20 एम्पियर, सॉरी इसमें करंट जो पहले 20 एम्पियर था, 20 एम्पियर से माइनस 20 एम्पियर हो जाएगा। ये 20 पहले देखिए इसमें इस डायरेक्शन में था 20, ये 20 इस डायरेक्शन में हो जाना चाहिए, but in place of become a 20 because of the inductance, it will remain up to only up to the 15, so anyway ये प्लस 20 से माइनस 20